this tutorial, we will be going over some basic tips and tricks for your Google Drive. When you open your Google Drive, use your mouse or trackpad to right-click to reveal several tools. You will reveal several options such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. You can begin a new document simply by clicking the tool you need. As you will see, there are many different options that you may wish to explore. One helpful tool is the Rename feature. Simply click on Rename, and a box will appear for you to rename the document or folder. Google Drive will automatically re-alphabetize your folder for you. Another great organizational tip is the Change Color option. Once clicked, it will show colors you can choose from to change your folder color. This will easily help you find items in your drive. The last helpful tip is moving folders into other locations in your drive. Simply click and hold the folder to move into another folder.